A boat captain spies a buoy 32 degrees to the left of the direction of travel. So I've drawn my boat captain, here's my buoy, and the buoy is to the left. The first thing you want to do is draw in your direction of travel. So it'll give you one of your sides of your triangle. So we're assuming our direction of travel is this way. Spots the buoy 32 degrees to the left. So you just want to draw from his first sighting here to the buoy. It's 32 degrees off the direction of travel, so that angle is right in here. This is going to be 32. That's our first sighting. The boat travels for 2 miles. So maybe here is our second sighting. So if the boat travels 2 miles, it started here, now it's here, so this is going to be 2 miles. The buoy is now 54 degrees to the left side. So still to the left, we go from our second sighting off the direction of travel to the buoy. The 54 degrees, it's off the direction of travel, so the 54 degrees is going to be right in here. And they want to know how far is the buoy from the boat at the time of the second sighting. Well, right here, this is our second sighting. So how far is the boat? So if our boat's here from the buoy, my buoy's here, this leg of your triangle is X. So now you just have to determine whether you're going to use your law of sines or your law of cosines. So the only side that we have is this side here, which is 2 miles. And although we don't see what this angle is right now, we can very easily find it. If you remember, along a straight line, that's 180 degrees. So even though this 54 is outside of our triangle, we can find this just by subtracting from 180. So this angle in here will be 126. Now I have 2 of the 3 angles. If I subtract these 2 from 180, that's going to give me 22. And now I have an angle and its opposite side. So now I can just do a law of sines to solve this problem. So you're going to do the sine of 22 over 2 equals, now we're looking for this one, so we're going to use the 32. Sine of 32 over x. And then you just cross multiply. So we have x sine of 22 equals 2 sine of 32. And then just divide both sides by the sine of 22. So that'll give us that x equals 2.83. They didn't ask us for a specific unit. They've told us that the boat was traveling in miles here. So just go ahead and put that label on miles. No need to convert unless they ask for a specific unit. So the hardest part about the word problems is actually drawing the diagrams. All right, let me know if you have questions on any of those word problems. I am going to post my solutions a little bit later today so you can see how they're all done.